one of the things that Fizyr's done over the years is that the application's been designed to really be highly configurable. And I could, speaking on behalf of the company, we say highly configurable. You speak on behalf of some of the integrators, and they look at it very complex. So one of the things I was highlighting that we're working on now is the ability to have the environment automatically be set by the computer vision system for the robotics process. So that's something that we've got on the very near horizon of what we're working on. Some of the other things that just more from, if you like, growing up as a business, we've named our software product now, so it's now called Panoptic. Definition of Panoptic is all-seeing, or being able to see within one vision. We announced that our patent was granted around our picking application using deep learning.
See that some of the customers, are struggling with the business case. Because ultimately, if you invest in automation, you do it for three reasons. A, to make sure that your operations runs more smoothly. B, that it is, financially attractive to do it, just because ultimately a business needs to earn money. And the third reason most of the time is that there is a scarcity of people. And you see that companies struggle more and more to get people for what we call dangerous and dirty jobs. So what we've done with the business case is actually look at, well, what is the additional value of automation? Because in an environment where you have people, they work 8 hours a day, they are sick, they have lunch, they leave the office for some time. So we thought about there is more, because some of the companies, our end customers actually, they have the seasonal patterns. So none of these things were actually calculated into the business case. So the white paper basically addresses that one. We also see that, and we are humans at the end of the day, that if you work on a conveyor, you need to put parcels in a box, or you need to unpack pallets or whatsoever, that it's normal to make mistakes. So all these things we have taken into account in the business model, because if you train the robot with our vision and with the AI that we actually created for computer vision, it will actually prevent these mistakes and these errors.
We use what's out there, and we actually leverage the new technologies to make automation much easier, but also more versatile. So the fact that these things, the big models, the big multimodal models like ChatGPT exist, are great for us. Some people ask, are you not scared of these big models that are out there, and are they not replacing what we do? Actually, it's the reverse. The fact that these things exist are great for us. We absorb them and we just make our product better. So it's a great opportunity, and especially the last few years, that the advances that it's making are massive.